Any final words?
This is stupid. Do not try this at home.
Oh my gosh.
Ah! Oh!
Get back in.
Ah! It hurts. Ah!
One day we had a crazy idea to start a business from scratch selling products on Amazon and record it every step of the way. We went to China on the search for the perfect product and filmed inside of factories where cameras had never been. We met amazing people and saw beautiful places from all around the world. We risked thousands of dollars to show you what it takes to build a business you love on your own terms. Join us on the journey to become new moguls.
Do you buy on Amazon?
Oh yeah.
What's the last thing you bought on Amazon?
We all bought these ring lights off Amazon.
You all bought these ring lights off Amazon.
Yeah.
That's cool. Here's the business that sold this to you. Tech Light. Sears, man. Another casualty of Amazon. Just walking through our wall. Just dead. Gone, man. Just wiped off the map. Sold Craftsman to some private equity group. Yeah. Did you leave a review for the product that you bought?
No.
Why didn't you guys leave reviews?
Honestly, it's just, why would I do it?
Why? That's all. Thank you guys.
You're obviously taping.
What? We were.
Did my supervisor or my boss talk to you about taping in the mall?
No.
Yes, he said he did.
No, we did not. Not me.
Well, then, dispatch. These guys see that.
Okay, so the purpose of this call is to discuss the launch of the lighting products. We're legit doing this because if you look here, so that's where we're starting from. Brand new listing. Christian, you've done like a little bit of listing optimization, I guess, as far as like title and bullet points and things like that. Like, what have we done so far?
I added in a few keywords on the back end and changed up the title and stuff, both to accommodate more keywords.
Cool. So that's it. I mean, we are basically at the brand new start of this listing. We don't even have Jesse's photography up here yet. We just have kind of like this stock image and no reviews, no sales history, nothing. Just, all right, we're gonna launch this thing. It's gonna be awesome. Let's get out of here so we don't get yelled at. So we're here at the Spokane Airport. We're getting ready to go to Salt Lake City. The American team is meeting up. We're going to do an awesome skiing and snowboarding trip, and we are also about to launch Massview. We're doing our first live webinar on January 16th, and we're super excited about that and bringing the world and changing Amazon. Also, our products are launching that we've been doing, and we've been getting really good results with Massview. We're getting tons of sales on Amazon using our Facebook bots and using our new types of deals. It's really exciting. And yeah, everything is just really starting to come together after a year's worth of work and making it all happen. And we're gonna go have some fun, and it's gonna be awesome.
Is it packed?
Oh, it was so packed. Oh, here? No, it's good. Not too bad.
I was like,
Thank you. There's a sign right there, and it says Salt Lake City. And there's no gate.
Sorry for my bloodshot eyes.
time to eat. This is the last supper before the presentation, baby. Soon we're all gonna die, but then we will rise from the ashes.
I feel like I'm gonna pass out right now.
You're the pioneer. You're the pioneer of this, man. You're the one that did this first.
Yep. No, not hot tub for this long.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, here we go.
You think a final word?
This is stupid. Do not try this at home. My body's really warm right now,
Yeah.
and it's about to be really cold.
Yeah, very bad for you.
Oh, is this very bad? Oh, ball. Hurry.
Oh my gosh.
Ah! Oh!
Get back in.
Oh! It hurts! Oh! 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 Oh, it burns! Oh! Oh, yeah. Holy crap.
You about to pass out?
No, it just hurt a lot. Like knives.
Man, it's been a lot of work. I've been working on this for since last week. Webinars. I've written a lot of the scripts, doing the slides. Man, it's a lot more than you think. I thought it was going to be easy. Watching other gurus do it, I thought it was going to be easy. It's a lot of work. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out. I feel like dog crap right now. I'm sick, but the show must go on.
This is the stuff Jesse lives for, by the way. Jesse lives for this stuff, man. This is like how he cut his teeth in college, like doing these contests, like getting ready for the pitch, dude. Ben's over here, like getting the finishing touches on the Chrome extension, trying to get it done. Like, it's just crazy.
All right, so right now we're just hauling tail over to record our webinar. Where we just left the hotel or the house that we're staying at just because it has really bad internet, and we want to make sure we have a good connection. So we're hauling butt on over there to try and make it in time, so that way we have time to set up and get everything ready for the webinar. So yeah, a little bit nervous, but I think it's going to turn out really well.
We still have demos to record, actually, and we're only going to get there like an hour and a half before we have to start, and we haven't practiced the webinar all the way through. So if it sucks, it's gonna suck, but that's okay. Like, it's gonna get better next week. So I mean, this, like, the life lesson here is, like, number one, I guess, don't procrastinate, but number two, like, you just do it, and the first time it's bad, and you just keep doing it. Like, that's my philosophy, is like, you know what, like, oh well, if it's not perfect, like, we'll do it better next time. Like, we know, I mean, honestly, like, even with our products, like, we've been launching these products, and it's working. Like, we're getting the sales, we're getting reviews and everything, but I wish that our case studies were stronger. I wish that we had more time to make it perfect and make it shiny and everything, but you just got to start doing it. Like, you got to do it now. Like, honestly, the difference between people who are successful and the people who are not are the ones who just freaking force themselves to do uncomfortable things, and I'm really uncomfortable right now, but oh well.
We're all about the numbers, but one thing that's really freaking awesome about Mass Chat is being able to see my product and our product in people's homes.
Which is what we talked about in the beginning, right? So it's finding this unique niche, and then it's building the vertical. And by using all of the marketing tools that we've laid out with Mass Chat and our cashback and actions and everything like that, you can basically plan your product strategically.
Wait, what happened?
We had a 20% conversion rate.
We had a 20% conversion rate on our first webinar. Russell Brunson, look at me. We're coming for you. Send this to Russell. Just kidding. We're LDS bros. We want to be your friends.
Yeah.
And well, a lot better than it should have gone.
You got that right. Man, it's been so amazing. We've been up here just snowboarding, and the last 2 days it's just been dumping snow, and we've had like feet of snow. Today it's a beautiful blue day. You can see all the way to like, I think that's another state over there. Honestly, this kind of stuff gets me inspired, being up here and doing this. This is what I live for, is just coming up here and having fun. And I'm so happy that we've been able to spend these few days here in Utah with all my friends and people that work with us. We've been building great software and having fun, and man, this is just an amazing place up here. It's so exciting.